Today we are going to learn how to use graphing calculator to solve an equation. I have a function LT equal to 14 times e to the negative 0.0149t plus 1, LT equal to 6. If we solve it manually, it will be time consumed. Now we have a graphing calculator. We can use graphing calculator to save our time. So on your graphing calculator, find the button Math, click Math. You will see a list of the function comes out on the screen. So you scroll down to the function numeric solver. Select it. You're going to choose this function. So input the function into the equation 1. And then input 6. So double check we didn't input the wrong number. 14 times e to the negative 0.0149t plus 1. Okay, then enter. So look, I got the values of x is 69.101. That is the values of x that make this equation satisfy. So this is how we use the graphing calculator to solve an equation. Have fun.